হাই এভরিওয়ান, আমার চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। এখন আমি ক্লাস 9 এর মাদ্রাসা বোর্ডের ইংলিশের প্রশ্নপত্র নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। তো এ নাম্বারের একেরটা বলছে যে ফ্রম সেট জি দ্য ভেন্ডর ফাইনালি গট, অ্যান্সারটি হবে নাথিং। 2 নম্বর হচ্ছে অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য ন্যারেটর ফর দ্য ভেন্ডর অল দ্য আদার প্যাসেঞ্জার হ্যাড সিম্প্যাথি। 3 নম্বর হচ্ছে দ্য ন্যারেটর ড্রিউ দ্য কার্টুন অফ সেট জি। 4 নম্বর হচ্ছে দ্য ভেন্ডর ওয়াজ জেনারাস হার্টেড। বি নম্বর হচ্ছে when did the vendor finally leave the train? অ্যান্সারটি দেখো, when the train had passed the whole length of the platform the vendor finally leave the train. 2 নম্বর হচ্ছে how did the whole amazing episode end? অ্যান্সারটি হবে the whole amazing episode ended in a bitter sense of grievance against the inhuman, unjust and cruel businessman. তারপরে সি নাম্বার হচ্ছে what did the businessman say to justify his behavior towards the vendor? অ্যান্সারটা হচ্ছে Sethji justified himself by saying that if the vendor did not want to help him to get his cap back, he should not have offered the monkey the bananas. He did not ask the fruit vendor to help him in any way. It was his choice to offer Sethji help. 2 নম্বরটা হচ্ছে why did Sethji become uncomfortable? When narrator drew the cartoon of Sethji and showed he drawing to all the other passengers except him, everyone laughed. Then Sethji became uncomfortable. 2 এর এ নাম্বারটা হচ্ছে the third ship went towards north. তারপর হচ্ছে the northern sky rose over the unfruitful sea. তারপর হচ্ছে বি এর 1 নাম্বার how did the decks of the third ship shine? অ্যান্সারটি হচ্ছে the deck of the third ship was looked to. বি নাম্বার বি এর 1 how did the decks of the third ship shine? উত্তরটি হবে the deck of the third ship was looked to be glistening frostily. তারপর হচ্ছে 2 নম্বর how did the other ship return? উত্তরটি হবে east and other ship বলতে east and west শিপকে বোঝাচ্ছে। east and west the ship came back happily or unhappily. তারপর হচ্ছে where did the third ship go? উত্তরটি হবে the third ship went towards the northern direction. তারপরে সি নাম্বার সি এর 1টা how was the third ship different from other 2 ship? অ্যান্সারটা the first 2 ships returned happily and unhappily, but the third ship sailed on in the limitless sea, overcoming all obstacles. 2 নম্বরটা হচ্ছে how was the sea when the third ship set out? অ্যান্সারটি হবে when the third ship set out the sea was dark but no breath of wind. 3 এর এ নাম্বার হচ্ছে what is Agra famous for? Agra is famous for Taj Mahal and legendary footwear industry. 2 নম্বর হচ্ছে what are the root cause for the low production and footwear industry? অ্যান্সারটি হবে rising cost and low demands are the root cause for the low production at footwear industry. 3 এর 3টা হচ্ছে who are the worst affected? Recession has hit the industry hard and laborers and small scale units are the worst affected. 4 নম্বর হচ্ছে what is the role of the bigger companies in this field? The bigger companies in their markets, larger firms were engaged primarily in export to international markets. Pinched by recession, they have shifted focus to domestic markets. বি নাম্বার হচ্ছে হোয়াট ডাজ দ্য রিটার্ন সুইট শপ সিগনিফাই? Sweet shops units supply nearly 70% the shoes in India's domestic market. তারপরে কোশ্চেনটা a skilled workman laborer, royal people royalty, assistants add shabby and discolor affected. তারপরে হচ্ছে the act of receding pushed back, the capable of causing death dead end. The C number the 70% portion of earth is covered with water. তারপর হচ্ছে I preserved the specimen of that wild flower in my laboratory. তারপর হচ্ছে 21st century world has just overcome the period of domestic. Cancer is a worst disease. তারপরে প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে an honest person is always respected to all he finds to respected place of the society. তারপরে প্রশ্ন 5টা হচ্ছে the kingdom of Robert Bruce was attacked by the English. Bruce had fought bravely but he had defeated again and again. Ratan had celebrating his 10th birthday tomorrow. 6 number হচ্ছে the teacher said to me to not waste time. Answer টি হবে the teacher forbade me to waste time. তারপর হচ্ছে the mango trees of our school bore rich fruit. Rich fruit was borne by the mango trees of our school. How happy we are here. We are really happy here. Everybody knows the name of Tagore. Who does not know the name of Tagore? He works hard. He wants to me. এটা কিন্তু এই এম পর্যন্ত ছিল, এটা কি করতে বলেছে সেটাও জানা নাই, জাস্ট আমি এটা করে দিয়েছি। He works hard as if wants to me. সাথেটা very few poets of England were so great as Keats was. Comparative, Keats was greater than most other poets of England. Superlative, Keats was one of the greatest poets of England. Ateta, the taxi driver withdrew their strikes. The taxi driver called off their strikes. The two brothers have started a new trade. The two brothers have set in a new trade. I could not understand what the strange man wanted to say. I could not make out what the strange man wanted to say. They started quarreling among themselves. They started falling out among themselves. তারপর প্যারাগ্রাফটা usefulness of tree. Trees form the most essential components of our environment. They take in sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to produce oxygen, which helps to support all forms of life on earth. Timber and wood obtained from trees are used in many industries to make paper, furniture and other goods of daily use. As a result, a large number of trees are cut every day to fulfill these needs. This is leading to a loss of stability in the environment and making life difficult. Pollution is increasing due to more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Awareness needs to be spread to save trees and take part in tree plantation and protection for better, healthier future.